Nord Stream is a system of offshore natural gas pipelines running under the Baltic Sea from Russia to Germany. It includes two active pipelines running from Vyborg to Lubmin near Greifswald forming the original Nord Stream, and two further pipelines under construction running from Ust-Luga to Lubmin termed Nord Stream 2. In Lubmin the lines connect to the Opel line to Olbanu on the Czech border and to the Nel line to Reden near Bremen. The original Nord Stream is owned and operated by Nord Stream AG, whose majority shareholder is the Russian state company Gazprom, and Nord Stream 2 is owned and will be operated by Nord Stream 2 AG, which is also a wholly owned subsidiary of Gazprom. The first line of Nord Stream was laid by May 2011 and was inaugurated on the 8th of November 2011. The second line of Nord Stream was laid in 2011-2012 and was inaugurated on the 8th of October 2012. At 1,222 kilometers in length, Nord Stream is the longest subsea pipeline in the world, surpassing the Langeld pipeline. Laying Nord Stream 2 was carried out in 2018-2019. And before the imposition of US sanctions which halted the work, it was expected to become operational in mid-2020. Nord Stream has a total annual capacity of 55 billion cubic meters of gas, and the addition of Nord Stream 2 is expected to double this capacity to a total of 110 billion cubic meters. Nord Stream projects have been opposed by the United States as well as by several Central and Eastern European countries because of concerns that the pipelines would increase Russia's influence in the region. The US resistance to Nord Stream 2 is also influenced by the country's increased production of natural gas, which gives the US Congress economic incentive to resist the Russian supply of gas to the EU in favor of US shale gas. The name, Nord Stream, occasionally refers to a wider pipeline network, including the feeding onshore pipeline in the Russian Federation, and further connections in Western Europe. Nord Stream 2 should be completed by the first half of 2021. The original pipeline project started in 1997 when Gazprom and the Finnish oil company Neste formed the joint company Norrtransgas Oy for construction and operation of a gas pipeline from Russia to northern Germany across the Baltic Sea. Norrtransgas cooperated with the German gas company RUGAS. A route survey in the exclusive economic zones of Finland, Sweden, Denmark and Germany, and a feasibility study of the pipeline was conducted in 1998. Several routes were considered including routes with onshore segments through Finland and Sweden. On the 24th of April 2001, Gazprom, Fortum, RUGAS and Wintershall adopted a statement regarding a joint feasibility study for construction of the pipeline. On the 18th of November 2002, the Management Committee of Gazprom approved a schedule of project implementation. In May 2005, Fortum withdrew from the project and sold its stake in Norrtransgas to Gazprom. As a result, Gazprom became the only shareholder of Norrtransgas Oy. On the 8th of September 2005, Gazprom, BASF and E.ON signed a basic agreement on the construction of a North European gas pipeline. On the 30th of November 2005, the North European Gas Pipeline Company was incorporated in Zug, Switzerland. On the 9th of December 2005, Gazprom started construction of the Russian onshore feeding pipeline in the town of Babayevo in Vologda Oblast. The feeding pipeline was completed in 2010. On the 4th of October 2006, the pipeline and the operating company were officially renamed Nord Stream AG. After establishment of Nord Stream AG, all information related to the pipeline project, including results of the seabed survey of 1998, were transferred from Norrtransgas to the new company. And on the 2nd of November 2006, Norrtransgas was officially dissolved. The environmental impact assessment started on the 16th of November 2006 with notifications sent to Russia, Finland, Sweden, Denmark and Germany as parties of origin, as well as to Poland, Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia as affected parties. The final report on transboundary environmental impact assessment was delivered on the 9th of March 2009. On the 19th of March 2007, Nord Stream AG hired Italian company Snam Progetti, a subsidiary of Saipem, for detailed design engineering of the pipeline. A letter of intent for construction works was signed with Saipem on the 17th of September 2007 and the contract was concluded on the 24th of June 2008. On the 25th of September 2007, the pipe supply contracts were awarded to the pipe producers EUROPIPE and OMK. And on the 18th of February 2008, the concrete weight coating and logistics services agreement was awarded to EUPEC Pipe Coatings SA. The supply contracts for the second line were awarded to OMK, Europipe and Sumitomo Heavy Industries on the 22nd of January 2010. On the 30th of December 2008, Rolls-Royce plc was awarded a contract to supply turbines for the compressor. And on the 8th of January 2009, Royal Boscalis Westminster and Danish dredging contractor Road Nielsen A.S. were awarded a joint venture seabed dredging contract. The agreement to take Gasunie to the consortium as T.